Georgetown College, a home to Canadians and international students. As we all know, people coming from different background, different culture, and different values to Georgetown College. According to 2017 fact sheet, there are about 32,000 students enrolled in Georgetown College. The campuses are most in downtown, in which St. James Building A is a main building. As we all know, there are a lot of students on the college, but there are some lack of facilities.
You want to get coffee?
Yeah. You want to go with me?
Sure, let's go.
You? Yeah. Okay, let's go. So sleep.
Let's go. Get some coffee from the C building.
See you later?
Yep. No coffee.
No coffee?
Yeah. Let's go to the A building and see.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Let's go.
Are you sure? I'm so tired.
It's cold. This is so cold, yeah.
So close, so far. I cannot walk from Iryna to Iryna for just for coffee.
Yeah, let's go now.
Oh, we walk for a long way and then nothing.
So if you're students and having an 8 o'clock class in the morning and you want to grab a cup of coffee, so you go to the A building and you can see there is a big lineup at Tim Hortons, which approximately gonna take you 10 to 15 minutes to grab a cup of coffee. And then go back to the class, it will take 5 to 10 minutes more. So that's a lot of time which is gonna be wasted in the morning. So we came up with an idea to bring a Starbucks on-the-go kiosk to the Georgetown College. It is a self-serve coffee machine which will allow students to save their time and get a coffee of their choice. So our vision is to increase the students' productivity in their class by saving their time. That time can be used to get their assignments done, be in the lecture, or get their 15 minutes break. And we will place our concept into 3 different buildings: Building A, Building E, and Building C. So we'll show you a small clip of our proposal. What does it look like and how it's gonna accommodate the student needs. Since this product is not installed on any of the Canadian colleges and the universities, it will be the first Starbucks kiosk for Georgetown itself only.
Introducing the Starbucks on-the-go kiosk, a branded solution that allows you to offer a Starbucks experience that's conveniently self-serve, with minimal operational effort or retail space required. At just 7 feet wide and 3 feet deep, the Starbucks on-the-go kiosk can make a big impact within a small footprint. Its elegant design, branded signage, and Starbucks quality beverages offer an elevated experience your customers can enjoy on a daily basis. The Starbucks on-the-go kiosk is easy to customize, so you can choose the setup that best suits your operational needs, including the option to add a customer payment feature. Every kiosk includes a Thermoplan Black and White 3 CTMC machine, which serves your customers' favorite Starbucks espresso drinks made with fresh dairy at the touch of a button. If you'd also like to offer Starbucks brewed coffee, simply choose to add one of 2 options: our Serenade single cup brewer for 3 varieties of freshly brewed hot coffee, iced coffee, and Tazo chai latte, or AirPots, which conveniently dispense brewed coffee. The Starbucks on the go fits in seamlessly to a variety of environments, and with the versatility to choose your desired configuration, makes an ideal espresso and brewed coffee solution for a wide variety of operators. With the Starbucks on the Go kiosk, your customers get to help themselves to their favorite Starbucks beverages, and your business becomes a delightful part of their daily routine. The Starbucks on the Go kiosk, the branded Starbucks experience that fits in and stands out.
So to execute our plan, we need to have our stakeholders. Our main stakeholder as a customer is George Brown College. Second, users are their students. And to finance this program, we will need a sponsor, which is George Brown President. Secondly, we need to have a subject expert, which will be Starbucks, and our project management team and the project manager to execute the project in a right way. So our purpose and goal for this project is very basic and very clear. We want to save students time, which will increase productivity 60% into the classrooms, and this will reduce 50% traffic to the coffee shops in A building. And same time, the product is so unique, it will allow students to access it 24/7 as well to the faculty. Now, as a project team, what we are looking to achieve is to managing the risk, managing the communication, and managing the product underway. And we have targeted 3 locations on the campus of George Brown College, which is Building A, 6th floor, Building E, 1st floor, and Building C, ground level. Those are the ideal locations for students to grab the cup of coffee in spite of coming all the way down to A building. So now a very technical question comes up. Why would George Brown be interested to fund our project? So we created a weight factor module based on affordability, convenience and quality, comparing with our competitors Tim Hortons and Second Cup. After the calculation, we saw Starbucks stands out and makes sense to have a product on the college. So from maintenance to buying to labor training and putting these machines in the college, our budget comes up to $56,148, which will pay back around 1.4 years. Those are the very good numbers for any project to give a payback in a short time. So if you look up at our average annual profit and rate of return, the project is paying very good to the George Brown College. The revenue is significantly high if we eliminate the cost of labor, cost of material, cost of maintenance. Our sponsor will still be able to save $11,880, which is 21% of revenue. Once you're involved in any of the project, there is always a risk. But as you can see on our chart, our project team and project manager has tried to reduce the risk as much as possible. In this clip, you will notice why we keep saying our project is unique. Flex and amazing design doesn't require much space like a coffee shop, but at the same time giving you an experience of a coffee shop. Our subject experts will make sure the product is safe for use. And there will be weekly maintenance schedule for this product too. And the best part comes here, why our product needs a minimum labor. As you can see, it requires only 2 to 3 hours to replace the amenities. That's all. You don't need to do anything, you just need to replace the amenities, because It's not a full coffee shop where you need to clean each and everything. It's just an express machine which gives you an amazing experience. Well, I guess the very important part of this project is the student survey. Did we ask our students, do they need this product? Let's see the results. So our survey is based on 4 questions. A very general and specific question. Do you like coffee? Do you like to be in a queue to get a coffee? Do you like a Starbucks? How about having a Starbucks coffee kiosk on the campus? And the results were so different. We were not expecting this many people will be agreeing to this project. As per the student, 40% of students would like to buy a coffee from Second Cup, whereas 60% will prefer to stand in a queue and get a coffee from Tim Horton, but 80% people would like to go and get a coffee from Starbucks kiosk, which was surprisingly good.